Revolut Mass Payouts is a feature that allows businesses to send multiple payments to different recipients at once, making it a convenient and efficient way to manage large-scale payments. To start using Revolut Mass Payouts, you need to have a Revolut business account and access to the Revolut dashboard. First, you need to prepare your payment data, which includes the recipient's name, payment amount, and currency. You can upload this data to the Revolut dashboard using a CSV file or by manually entering the details. It is essential to ensure that the data is accurate and complete to avoid any payment errors. Once you have uploaded the payment data, you can review and verify the information to ensure everything is correct. You can also add additional details such as payment references and descriptions to help with accounting and reconciliation. After verifying the payment data, you can initiate the mass payout process. Revolut will then process the payments and send them to the recipients. The payment processing time will depend on the recipient's bank and the payment method used. One of the key benefits of Revolut Mass Payouts is that it saves time and reduces the administrative burden of making multiple payments. It also provides a high level of security and compliance, as Revolut adheres to strict anti-money laundering and Know Your Customer regulations. To get the most out of Revolut Mass Payouts, it is recommended to use the feature in conjunction with other Revolut business tools, such as accounting and invoicing software. This can help streamline your payment processes and improve your overall financial management. In terms of best practices, it is essential to ensure that you have sufficient funds in your Revolut account to cover the total payment amount. You should also keep a record of the payment data and the payout results, in case you need to refer to them later. Overall, Revolut Mass Payouts is a powerful tool for businesses that need to make large-scale payments. By following the steps outlined in this guide and using the feature in conjunction with other Revolut business tools, you can streamline your payment processes and improve your financial management.